You can import and or export your Excel file as an CSV file form. To do so, let's begin with importing an Excel file as CSV value. To do so, click on Data, click Get Data from File, and select from Text/CSV. Here you must locate your file, where is it saved, and click on it and click Import. Click Load, and your data has been imported. To export an Excel sheet as CSV, you click on File, Save As, Browse, locate where you want to save it. As Save as Type, locate CSV, delimited. Name your file and click Save. Click OK. If you have multiple sheets and you try to save, it will only save one sheet for you. So click OK to save one sheet only.